So allegedly, Jonathan Major's attorney has sent some text messaging proving that his client didn't do anything to the alleged victim. And of course, if you're new here, I'm a diagnosed narcissist and I point out toxic people's traits and behaviors. Now, I'm not saying that Jonathan Majors is a narcissist. I'm not saying that at all, y'all. But if you take a look at these messages, it makes it seem like this is a victim of abuse trying to take accountability for what happened to her. Again, all of this is alleged, and apparently he got caught up. He got charged with strangling and assaulting somebody. Please let me know you're okay when you get this. They assured me that you won't be charged. They said they had to arrest you as protocol. I'm so angry that you did this, and I'm sorry you're in this position. We'll make sure nothing happens about this. I told them this is my fault for trying to grab your phone. So from some other articles, apparently, like allegedly, she grabbed his phone when some text messages came through or something like that, and he ended up allegedly assaulting her, putting his hands on her. She ended up going to the hospital. So this right here makes it seem like she's taking accountability for what happened to her. I grabbed your phone, so I deserved what happened to me. She doesn't get a response, so she says, I love you, and things like that. So she wants him back, clearly. And this is allegedly from the victim, y'all. And then at the bottom, it says, they just called again to check on me, and I reiterated that this was not an attack, and they do not have my blessing on any charges being placed. I read the paper they gave me about strangulation, and I said point blank, this did not occur, and it should be removed immediately. The judge is definitely going to be told about this. And then she says, I also said to tell the judge to know that the origin of the call was to do with me collapsing and passing out, and your worry as my partner due to our communications prior. So it seems like she's saying, hey, I passed out because something happened during our altercation after I grabbed your phone. I shouldn't have grabbed your phone, and I ended up passing out. Allegedly, his attorney sent that, y'all, and I don't know how that benefits him, because a lot of victims of abuse can see through that and just say, hey, she's taking accountability for what happened to her, because that's what the victims of abuse do. They try to they want their partner back. And it happens all the time, y'all. And does this work sometimes? Yeah, it works all the time, y'all. It actually works, because they try to get the court of public opinion to judge situations like this. Again, y'all, all this is alleged, but like, look at the Twitter responses. These texts do not help him at all. She clearly wants to protect him. That's a woman saying, hey, she's an abuse victim trying to protect her abuser. But then right underneath that, you got him saying he can't win no matter what, huh? Bless y'all heart. So the retraction works on some people. You see how that works, y'all. Unless you've been a victim of emotional or, physical abuse, you don't know how you will respond in that situation. A lot of victims of abuse respond exactly like that. Again, in totality, y'all, all of this is alleged, and who knows who sent those texts or if the lawyer or attorney actually sent those in. But it's on TMZ too. I thought I saw it on TMZ, so we just don't know, y'all. Hope this helps.